When your phone rings and the voice on the other end is your mom, panicking, in tears, begging you to send money right now, you act. That's human. You're wrong to trust it. That voice may not be your mom. It's an AI clone. 20 seconds of her voice is all it takes to build one. Last month, one family lost $83,000 to this exact call. Scammers are calling people right now. Welcome back to the Software Navigator. I'm Tony. Today, I'm shutting this scam down in 3 moves. So here's the first move. And here's what most people never realize. These calls almost never come from a real number. They're spoofed. The caller ID is a fake that looks local, looks like family. That's the trick. So we turn on the tool that flags them. Open your phone app, tap the 3 dots in the top right. Tap Settings. Tap Caller ID and Spam Protection. Give it a second to open. Toggle on Caller ID and toggle on Spam Protection. Both of them. Take your time. Here's the thing. This won't catch every single call, but it flags the numbers already reported as scams, and it kills most of the spoofed ones before you even pick up. Now the second move. This one scares a lot of people because it's about the voice itself. Scammers clone your mom's voice from 20 seconds of audio, a video she posted, a voicemail, a voice note. No setting on any phone can stop them from collecting that. So the real defense is a code word. Here's what you do. Pick a word only your family knows, something no one could guess. Set the rule with them tonight. If the caller can't say the safe word, it's not them. Not negotiable. That one step protects you even when every app fails. If you want the extra layer, you can stop the assistant from always listening. Open the Google app, tap your profile picture, tap Settings, then Google Assistant, then Hey Google and Voice Match. Toggle Hey Google off. And if you don't see that option, don't worry. Your phone uses Bixby by default, and that's fine. The safe word is the part that matters. Last one, the one that actually scares me. A cloned voice call isn't just about a wire transfer. It's the first step scammers use to reset your accounts, your email, your bank, your Google. They call, sound like you or your mom, and social engineer their way into a recovery code. So we lock the door. Open Settings. Tap Google Services or Google. Tap your Google email and click on Google Account. Tap Security and Sign In. Tap 2-step verification. Make sure it's on. Then tap Google Prompt and turn it on so a cloned voice can't walk through a phone-based reset. Then go one step further. Scroll and tap Recovery Phone. Make sure there's a number only you control. Almost there. That's it. Turn on spam protection, set the safe word, lock down 2-step, and recovery. 3 moves. Done. Drop a comment. Did you have a safe word set up before this video? I want to know. And here's the thing. After you shut down the scam callers, there's one more thing hiding on your phone you probably never found. A built-in ad blocker almost nobody turns on. I'll show you exactly where it is in this next video. Click it right now.